chapter from the long ongoing documentary series, The Complete History of Communism. This is the low-budget documentary, Complete History of Communism, Chapter 6, The Story of Vietnam. East of Thailand, south of China, is a country called Vietnam. They fought for centuries to free themselves from the Chinese. They wanted independence for so long. They were free 900 years, then there came a time of tears when Vietnam was conquered by the French, made to slave in French plantations under Western exploitations that they have not forgotten ever since. A student there called Ho left his Vietnam to go become a cook for European sailors. He lived in Harlem, London, and France, and he got a first-hand chance to see the Western world's successes and failures. After World War I's collapse, when the world redrew its maps at the treaty meeting in Versailles, Ho attended pleading they give Vietnam its freedom, but they wouldn't even let him try. Ho knew the USA had been a colony one day, and he admired the way we had fought before him, but he saw now only communism stood up for colonies' freedoms, while the capitalist world just ignored them. So Ho began communist studies and recruited other buddies. He wrote articles that reached back home. He kept organizing on the move until the chances might improve to get the French to leave for Vietnam alone. And then in World War II's events, when the Nazis beat the French, France's colonies were taken by Japan. So Ho returned to Vietnam. After decades being gone, it was time to fight for real, not just the plan. Now organizing from within, with his new name, Ho Chi Minh, independence forces started growing faster. And then when World War II wrapped up and the Japanese were crushed, Vietnam at last had no more foreign master. So Ho Chi Minh declared a new free country then and there, quoting America's words of independence. But they had hardly settled down before the French came back around, and they wanted their old colony back with a vengeance. So began an 8-year war the world had never seen before, a tiny colony against a Western nation. And the USA, for shame, lived independence just in name. We funded France to fight this liberation. Why? Because in 1949 the communists had won in China, so the US wanted Europeans in control there. Vietnam now had the challenge of being right between the balance of big forces all trying to have a hold there. Then, unbelievable but true, in '54 at the Dien Bien Phu, France was beaten. Vietnam was free in triumph. The guy in charge on France's side even committed suicide when he realized little David really beat Goliath. But the powers in the West would only compromise at best. We said, okay, Vietnam can have its own elections, but you have to wait 2 years. And right now, to calm our fears, we'll cut the country in 2 temporary sections. Communists can have Hanoi, but the US will employ this corrupt guy named Diem to run Saigon. But if the voting had gone forth, it would have won things for the North. So Diem never let the vote go on. And so began the Southern struggle. Communist Viet Cong rebels trying to defeat their Southern leader. And the North helped them a lot. But when Diem did get shot, it was by his own army, because they didn't like him either. The US was desperate for a reason now to send our big armies in, so we claimed we had been attacked in Tonkin Gulf. And the guy in charge of these naval wars was the dad of Jim Morrison of the Doors. That's true, and that's how the US got more engulfed. But if they're communists, who cares? Why are we even there? Those crazy questions nagged at the US. Well, meanwhile, the communists repeated the same way France had been defeated. A total commitment to fighting off the West. And so, when Ho Chi Minh was dying in 1969, he knew US involvement soon would break. And the US did agree to withdraw troops by '73, with only death and devastation in its wake. Had Ho fought to free his land, or just for some communist agenda? Either way, the South was beat, the land united. And communistic land reform kept upheavals going on, with landlords killed and properties redivided. But by 1986, the policies began to switch to incorporate more Western economics. So now, like China, it's a mix of East and Western politics, with a violent weight of history upon it. That brings us right up to Complete History of Communism Part 7, the story glorious Cuba, but not tonight.